In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chime account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect from start to finish with helpful tips to make everything smooth and secure. Start by heading to the official website at chime.com using a trusted browser. Double check the address bar to make sure you're on the real site, and avoid using public Wi-Fi during sign-up. A stable connection helps prevent errors while you're entering your information. On the homepage, look for the option to open an account and begin the sign-up. You'll be guided through a simple form to set up your profile. If you're creating login credentials here, choose a strong, unique password and plan to store it somewhere safe. Taking a moment now to get this right will save you time later. You'll see a quick captcha prompt to confirm you're a real person. Complete the challenge as instructed. This is a normal security measure used to protect your account and reduce automated signups. Next, enter your basic information. Provide your legal name and current address exactly as they appear on your identification, and make sure your details are current. Inaccurate information can cause verification delays, so review everything before moving forward. Use an email you check often, since important notices and updates will be sent there. You'll then verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, which may include submitting images of a government-issued ID and confirming personal details. Take photos in good lighting on a plain background and ensure all text is clear and readable. Only upload documents through the official website or app. Once verified, you'll choose your account type. Most people start with a primary spending account, and you may have the option to add savings features during setup. Take a moment to read any disclosures and understand how the features work so you can pick what fits your needs. After that, you can fund your account. You might set up direct deposit, link an external bank, or make an initial transfer. Transfers can take a bit of time to appear, so don't worry if it's not instant. Keep an eye on your balance as your first deposit post, so when your Chime card arrives by mail, activate it through the website or the app. Follow the prompts to complete activation and set your PIN. Keep your card details private, and store the card in a secure place when you're not using it. To finish, explore optional features like instant transaction alerts, savings tools, and card security controls. Customize your notifications, review your settings, and you're ready to go. That's it, your Chime account is set up and ready for everyday banking.